I think it's a win for Glen. He gets to tell his story. I mean, remember how long this has taken to get to the point where he can tell his story. I mean, Glen, he surrendered voluntarily to the police in April of 1998, and he told his friends and he told his family, he said, look, I'm innocent. This will be sorted out in a couple of weeks. And here we are 21 years later, and he's been dragged through Dante's Inferno. And this has been an investigation and a prosecution that's been punctuated with all of the hallmarks that have been recognized by commissions of inquiry across the country. Non-disclosure in particular, Glen representing himself with a grade 6 education. I mean, so we're happy today to be able to tell Glen's story, finally.
Well, I'm very grateful for Justice Chipman for lifting the publication ban off my case, and for me to be able to tell my story finally. It's been 21 years, and it's destroyed my life. You know, it's the time gone is the time I'll never get back. You know, it affected me in such a great way, in a bad way. You know, it affected me and my kids, you know, especially my kids and stuff. And I can't get back the time that they took from me for something I didn't do. What price do you put on a man's life? Because, you know, in my opinion, there's not enough money to compensate for the injustice that I suffered. There's not enough money to compensate for the injustice that I suffered.